It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So I'm on 15-minute time frame and I'm using the 3M custom made indicator. Okay. And of course, this is GainX 1200. This has been on uptrend right from here. Just the way we are seeing it, we got the uptrend signal around here and we got the buy signal, and it has been buying since then. Okay. Even though there are some major pullbacks in between, but it's been more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So this is still buying at the moment, so we need to take note of that and see how we can take advantage of that. If it breaks out above the resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend and we start selling. But for now, it is still buying. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. This had been on uptrend right from here and it got to this resistance. It switched into a downtrend at this point and it is selling right now. I also dropped a signal within the Telegram channel for this particular asset, and of course first two TPs have been achieved. So this is still selling right now. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity. The only reason why it will not sell if it goes back to the resistance zone and it breaks out above it, that's the only reason why it will not sell. Okay, so but for now it is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. PayNext 1200 started an uptrend right from here, and you can see where we got into the market, and of course all the TPs which we highlighted earlier have been achieved, but this is still buying, guys. This is still buying. If it should break out above the next resistance, then it's still going to buy more. But if it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still buying. The next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999, and of course, this actually started an uptrend right from here, guys. And check it out, it has been buying since then. Okay, for so many days, it's been on a very strong uptrend, breaking out from most resistance zones. Okay, so right now it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it should break out above it, it's going to buy, but if it does not, then it should go fully into a downtrend right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. So we expect it to sell, even though it can also break out above the resistance zone. So this is buying at the moment, but we are expecting it to sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. The only reason why it will not sell is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. It started a downtrend right from here. Actually got to this support and tried to go back into an uptrend, but didn't go too far before switching back into a downtrend to break out below this support zone, and it broke out below it. And once there is a breakout, it's going to go into in that direction for a while. Okay, so you can see it selling. So this has actually got into a new support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. But for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can try them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.